Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strengthening hair oil that I have right here. And let's talk about the packaging first. I like the packaging. It's very like simple. Okay, so on this side right here, so it just says it's 6 free. So it lists that it doesn't have any like harsh ingredients in here. It says 97% naturally differed formula. That's actually quite a bit. Okay, so on the back right here has instructions on how to use it, has the ingredients listed, and then on the final side right here we have a description about the product. And this did win an award for 2020 Best of Beauty. And I have to say, when I first saw this online, I literally didn't think that they would actually have like a rose in here. Like you can see the rose right here. I was like, wow, this is like a first for like a hair oil. Okay, so as you can see and tell, I've used very little because, you know, I did cut my hair, and you can actually use this product on wet or dry hair. Sometimes what I like to do, especially like after washing my hair, I like to like put only 2 drops. So I'll go 1, 2, and then I will like rub right here, and then I'll just like do this like to my hair. You can also use this on dry hair too, because sometimes, you know, hair gets a little crazy, especially like after like sleeping. Sometimes it gets a little frizzy too. So I have to say, if you're wondering, yes, it does smell like roses, but the scent is more like on like the subtle side. So I have to say, this is a good hair oil. Like, you guys probably see me and my hair has been crazy. Like, ever since I cut my hair, I don't know what is going on. I don't know if it's because my body is going through like some changes, some phases, or what is going on. Like every single time when I do something with my hair, for some reason it just kind of like just goes a bit wild. And ever since cutting my hair short, this hair oil has been saving my hair from getting frizzy and like crazy, especially like when I wake up in the mornings. Like sometimes my hair is just like this, like it just goes like this. I'm just like, what is going on? So this is actually very easy to use, and it does keep my hair looking like healthy and refreshed, which obviously, you know, we all definitely do want that. And the one thing I have to say about this product is that the price of it, I would say it is a tad bit expensive, especially compared to like other hair oils I have tried and used. But because this product works so well, actually I don't mind spending a little bit more on this. So if any of you guys who have tried this product, you know, feel free to let me know, what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? Or do you guys have like a specific hair oil recommendation, or like a brand, or like a product that I should try out? I would love to hear your suggestions. So yeah, well, that is it for today's video, and I shall catch you guys later. Bye.